My fellow men and dear children, Mahalaya is an occasion of oblation of water with sesame to our departed ancestors. This year, this spread over has started from the 4th Ashin 1428 in Bengali calendar, corresponding to the 21st September 2021, till 5 p.m. 11 minutes on date, that is the 19th Ashin 1428, on date the 6th October 2021. Yes. During this spread over, the people are used to offer their oblation of water and sesame, satisfying their ancestors, and today being the last day ending this dark lunar fortnight specified for the existing the ancestral apparition, expecting greatly these particular offerings from their posterity, as it is believed traditionally. What I should say, it is being believed traditionally. Some of the people with this belief used to offer this particular oblation with water and sesame, emerging, yes, black seeds of sesame, don't you see? Yes, emerging their navels on abdomen, yes, on every day of this particular fortnight after their birth, while the others used to do it on this last day of the fortnight. So, this morning I see people at these early hours in the morning are passing to reach the holy Ganges for their offerings. Now, some questions are raised by you about its significance, inferring into its sacred humans to unveil its mystery on the, yes, mysteries are based on myths concerned, yes. If any, I try to do it, thus let us venture into it. Yes, I am no master, nor any expert of scriptures, nor a researcher, and hence these discussions are mere discussions, shall never be taken up at all, and may be listened to only for listening and listening alone. Do you follow what I like to say? Yes. No, I am not responsible in any way for your downfall. You are to walk miles together in search of truth. So, don't take it as final. Yesterday, I just discussed the myths and folktales behind it, and now to look into the first human, wherein 5 sages of bygone days who refused to take part in the creation of creatures you see on this mortal world. Yes, at first they were asked to do it, yes, but they did not take part in the reproduction of these creatures in the world as we see it today. Yes. Yes, the creator was Brahma, but his work remained incomplete. However, he adopted an alternative way and created all this. Yes. But those sages, 5 sages, are still existing in their holy abode. Yes, to bless our departed ancestors' souls existing in their spirits as yet, and accept as free souls for their further and further advancement towards higher and higher. Next, human, prays for ancestral spirits to come down, come nearer, to accept and receive the offerings being paid to them by their oral existence and senses, etc. The next human calls the ancestors by their then old names to come down through the lineal mountains of respective gotras. I should say gotras are the lineal mountains, to their lineally descendants one by one, to accept their offerings containing sesame in water, contained in the small copper vessels, kosha kushi in Bengali, as it is said. The next human focus on the, should I utter the hymns now? Should I chant the hymns now? No, I may chant it later, but we are now telling in English, speaking in English, but all these hymns are in Sanskrit. If once I used to chant, I must have to express its meanings. I should do it, don't it? Yes, it will take time, more and more time, I think. It will take longer time, yes. However, let us look into the next hymn, which focus on the existence of 7 ascetics on the high up sphere, to set the spirits of our ancestors at liberty to eternity and infinity forever. But there is still one gateway, still one barrier belonging to the Lord Jomo, the god of death. Yes. So the next human offer for the final offering to the god of death, Lord Jomo, to please him, so that he may open the way of their final exit to the heaven. Yes. Yes, the heaven of immortality. I don't like to mention any imaginary heaven. Yes, to immortality. Thus the offerings or tarpans are over now, and at last we used to pay our homage by chanting the hymnody, I should say, or Suktam in Sanskrit, by praising and glorifying the stay and their existence, life and duties, dedications, etc. done to us. Yes, paying final salute and pranams. Dear children, that's all in brief for you and my fellow men also. And at last, yes, last but not the least, this may not be granted as final, since I am no Pandit, but a most ordinary old man awaiting to pass away in time. Au revoir. न जायते म्रियते वा कदाचिन्नायं भूत्वा भविता वा न भूयः अजो नित्य शाश्वतोऽयं पुराणो न हन्यते हन्यमाने शरीरे।